Every February, when half of the country is covered in snow and ice, I like to share what's blooming and budding out in my garden. So take a look at February in the late bloomer garden. You know, I appreciate all of my subscribers, especially when they write to me and tell me something I didn't know. However, this time, I'm not so happy because Eric at Double Dog Farm wrote me and said that new apple tree needs to have an Anna to cross-pollinate, that it may not fruit. Hi, Sevy. Good morning.
Good morning, Kaye.
Sevy fell on a toy and she's got a big bruise on her chin. I mean, on her cheek. Yeah.
Yeah, they said that.
I'm glad you're
that
smiling.
She fall off from the chair. It
Yeah.
was on the weekend.
I'm glad you're smiling. What a pretty scarf. Where'd you get that?
I make it.
You made that scarf?
Yeah, I made.
You made
it.
that? Wow, that must have taken a while.
Yeah.
How long did that take?
When I have time, it's taking like 2 or 3 days.
What?
Yeah. See.
2 or 3 days? Don't you make every single stitch?
See.
Wow.
And then you can put it like that.
I love it. See you later.
Okay.
Bye.
I see you. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Say bye, Sevy. Use your hands and say bye, Kelly.
Bye. Bye.
Hi, Kaye. Bye, Kaye.
I made this sweater about 5 years ago, and it's so soft and comfy. It's Angora, I think, and I've only worn it twice. But today's a perfect day. It's another gray, cool day in LA. Finally, the leeks are starting to look like something. Here are those sweet potato volunteers, and here's the sugar cane that we planted, and all my celery. I pulled all these out on the driveway so that they would get rained in, these freesias and beet seeds, and boy did they get a lot of rain. These are the last of the pale pinks. This is what happens when you have a very old jade plant and the roots take up every square inch of the pot. The water cannot even, let's see, the water is that deep. It can't even drain out of there. Here's a volunteer potato plant in my otherwise empty bed. My arugula is blooming. A few pieces I forgot to pick. And one little marigold. Really need to get these radishes out of here and eat them. Should probably pull these out. For sure this one. It's a beet and two little radishes. Beet. I put beet, arugula, and radish all in here. Arugula. The sun came out for just a minute. Oh, I did not mean to pull that out. Okay, I thinned that out a little, and I'm going to take all of this inside. This is today's harvest. These are all the greens. This is romaine lettuce, some arugula, and some beet, some young beet sprouts in here somewhere there, and a few parsley, some toy onion, one little tomato, my radishes, French breakfast and cherry bell, Valencia orange, and Meyer lemon. Thanks so much for watching this channel, liking my videos, and most importantly, sharing them with your friends so this channel can grow. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, please watch these. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you in the next video.